So today I'm going to try and put together a small model of the Apollo Lunar Excursion model, which looks like that, if you haven't seen it before. I think it's going to be quite difficult, not because there's a whole lot of parts, but because it's very small. It's made from thin tin, and it's one of these things that came from Temu. If you've ever bought anything from Temu, you'll know there's a £15 minimum order limit. So being a cheapskate, I hardly ever spend as much as £15, so I have to add small bits and pieces to make up the order value, and this was one of these. So we'll see how things go. So the model is all put together, and I would be lying if I said it was easy. The instructions were a wee bit vague, and I didn't have pliers small enough to bend some of the bits you need to make into, like the thrusters. But from a distance it's not too bad. It's actually quite detailed as well. Thankfully, Northrop Grumman made a better job than I did.